Alright, what's good guys? In today's video, I'm going to be making public lobbies think I cheat. So let's get into the video. Yeah, and I don't know why there's a new there's like a new thing, like a new. I don't like this new stump, but still. Oh yeah, by the way, this mod menu, I only have it for first person camera because usually when I have my mod menu out, no, not my mod menu, when I'm playing my game, sometimes I actually press this button thing, like the button on my controller to like make your camera go out. So I only use it for first camera mode, for first person. So yeah, yeah, is that even first person on this thing? Oh shoot, visuals, yeah, first person camera. It don't work. Yeah, it does. What the? That's not my new face. Yo, what's good, guys? What? So, yeah, it does work, but not really well. Yeah, so I'm gonna be making people think I cheat. So I know I have that. That right there is that's where my camera goes. So when I press first person camera, so yeah, let's get into it. Let's see, this lobby's broken. This lobby's broken. That lobby was broken. Yes, bad lobby. Oh shoot. I'm gonna take this dude. That I'm not on Pico. No, I'm not. What? I'm not using Pico. I'm using HTC 5. I'm not on Pico. No. I'm not on Valve. I'm on Vive. VIVE. I think it's like 40. I don't know. Me? I'm not on Pico. Yo, guys, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yo, can everyone hear? Yeah, everyone can hear me, bro. I'm not on Pico. I don't have a Pico! How do you use Pico Connect then? Hello. You fucking what? You're on 69 hertz. Okay. Yeah, it does. I think I do believe him because he does have a Steam mic, so I might believe him there. Fudge! What? What? This dude. I think he is on Pico. This dude has got tag lag. Because I took him twice up there. And I'm even recording, so. Yeah, so I can show you the footage of me tagging you twice. Vive. Hey, HTC Vive Pro. If you mention Pico one more time, I will literally mute you. No. But how you play, it definitely looks like it. Pico is a cheat. Pico is a cheat, by the way. Because you can go on any hertz from standalone on Pico, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, as well as Pico. Because Pico makes you insane at walls. Pico makes you insane at walls. Look at him! This dude's on standalone Pico! Or are you on Steam Pico? Yes, there is! Yes, there is! Yes, you have to be on Steam! I am. I'm on HTC Vive. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. There's like 3 people thinking I cheat. So, as you can see, it was about 3 people that thought I was cheating. 3 people thought I was cheating. Wannabe. So yes, I got them to think I cheat. Get in. So, bye.